We started the first chapter. When can I sing a song? Here's some lines which written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Keep loving nature and care for its blessings, then you can see divinity all over. Now start the chapter. It was 24 July 2007, the last day of my presidency. It was a day filled with many engagements. In the morning, I was busy with personal work. Later in the day, starting from 3:25 p.m., there was a short interview with Rajdeep Sardesai and Dilip Venkatram from CNNIBN, followed by a meeting with ESL Narasimhan, Governor of Chhattisgarh. After this, I was to meet Dr. Ramesh Pokharji Nishkan. Postal system could play a pivotal role in Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Science and Technology Uttarakhand. There was a meeting with Miss Charsimma Thangapan, a student of Delhi's Hindu College, along with her parents and 5 others. And then at 4 p.m. with Sunil Lal, Chief of Protocol, Minister of External Affairs, along with his wife Gitanjali and their daughter Nitika, and so it went with several other farewell calls until 8 p.m. when I was a host a dinner for the president-elect, the president and prime minister, and the council of ministers. In all the round of farewells and meetings, scholars, speakings of friends, and seeing to it that my few belongings were packed the 2 suitcases. So to say that I had said that was all I would take away with me. There was an unspoken thought that was in the air. Whosoever meet me or walk with me to me had one question uppermost in their mind. What would I be doing? Had I worked it out? Would I go back to teaching? Would I retire from active life? Unlikely as this last was, so anyone who knows me for now, the last 5 years at Rashtrapati Bhavan were fresh in my mind. The welcoming flowers of the Mughal garden were Ustad Bismillah Khan gave his last performance, and many other musicians also performed. The fragrance of the herbal gardens, the dancing peacocks, the guards who stood alert under the hot summer sun and in the biting cold of winter, all had become part of my daily life. What a rich experience these 5 years had been. People from every field and walk of life had poured out their ideas for the development of the nations to me. They vied with each other to tell me how they had contributed their might. Politicians at every level shared their visions for developing their constituencies. Scientists showed their hunger to help solve pressing issues. Artists and writers expressed equivalently their love for India. Religious leaders shared a common platform to speak in spiritual harmony and unity of minds. Specialists from different fields shared their thoughts on building a knowledge society. The legal and judicial communities frequently offered their ideas on many current topics like fair treatment for all citizens, fast-track disposal to cases, and e-judiciary. The non-resident Indians, whenever they met me, showed a desire to give back to the country of their birth whatever they could do, see it develop and improve. My visit to different parts of the country always provided me with unique experience which made me understand the aspirations of the people, the good work done by many, and above all the power of the youth. I hope you like it. We will continue.